Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we will show you how to complete a receiving task from start to finish. Let's begin. Before starting the task, the worker heads to the loading dock. Next, the user opens the Operate app, navigates to their receipt inquiry, and then searches the query by the container number. Next, the user can find the receipt and open the action panel located at the bottom of the screen. Once open, the user may select Go to Receive Task. Click Start Receiving. The user then begins the offload step. Enter the fields listed on the screen, starting with offload type, equipment type, and the shipping method used. From here, the user will take a picture before the container is opened. Next, take a picture of the seal number. Another picture in the middle of the offloading, and then again once offloading has been completed. Afterwards, the user will tap close the step and then click LP Setup. And make sure you're on the Work tab above. You may scan or type in the stage location. Regardless of your preferred method, Operate makes it simple. Go to the pallet to check what item is listed and tap Add Item to choose the correct item and quantity for the pallet. Input the pallet quantity, which will need to be built. Then tap Submit, and the label will be printed from the printer. The user can then attach the label on the pallet. Repeat steps 8 to 12 to finish building all of the pallets. Next, tap the button Close Step. Then go back to the task homepage and tap Close Task. You have now successfully completed a Receive task using the Operate app. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.